Are you ready for that, Rhonda? Because this is like, you love this.
And this is what we call it. Well, most recently we practiced this because we were recording a podcast episode and we had a what? What was it called, Cassie Brown? It was a
Hey there, if you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe button so that we can let you know the next time that we drop a new video. So let's get back to it.
I don't know. Is this sticky note secrets?
No, it was a hard stop.
Oh, I got it.
Stop.
Hard stop.
Right.
Okay, let's rewind it and we'll do it.
All right, Cassie Brown, because on a recent episode, we talked about this because we stopped because I was going kayaking with my family.
Absolutely.
And it's called a what? It's called a
hard stop.
Oh, friends, we really do know what we're talking about. We promise. Because, okay, so interestingly enough, these 3 points that we've made, and let's like apply this to our 3-day work week. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? 3 days, boundaries, transitions, buffers, hard stops. But what happens? Creep into past the hard stop, creep into, oh, I can do a little bit on Friday, a creep into, I can do a little bit on Monday. But because you've done the work, because you've set the boundaries, guess what happens? It pulls you back in all a good way. I say, like, when you fall off the horse, you can always get back on. I'll share one really quick story, and then I'm going to pass it over to Cassie. I almost said the other name of the person that I'm going to be talking about. So I was sitting there, no boundaries, no transitions. We was just going at it. And I'm like, maybe I can multitask and get these trips all in the same time. And so I'm texting my hairdresser, and I have a relationship with my hairdresser. She and I have, like, she's got my hair for, you can't tell because I always wear caps. She's cut my hair for a long time. I'm not even going to tell how long, because the gray really, I mean, that's an in thing, right? Like, this gray is like an in thing, right? So anyway, so I'm texting Kim and I'm like, hey, Kim, I'm going to be in town on Friday. Can you help me? Can you cut my hair? And I waited, and like, she texted me back and she's like, I mean, it was like just these few words. I don't work on Friday. And I literally looked down. I thought it was Cassie. I looked down and I'm like, I don't either. I mean, in my mind, but I had already preset that boundary. I don't work on Friday either. Great. Thank you for reminding me. Thank you for reminding me, boundaries, that I don't work on Fridays and that I have hard stops. So I know how hard it is to start time management. I know it doesn't feel like sexy. It is the sexiest thing that you can do for your business, is to have boundaries, to manage your time, give your time directions. And then, like, the simple, like the icing on the cake, the cherry on top, is the buffer and transitions. And then if we just want to, like, be epic, it's a hard stop. It's a hard stop.
Yeah. And I want to just emphasize here, my personality, I'm not big with confrontation. I am a recovering people pleaser. It's one of those things where you can lovingly communicate that with someone and they will not judge you. They will not get upset with you. They will not be hurt or angry. It is just in the communication. Like, if you start an appointment or whatever, and you just communicate, hey, before we dig in and before we get started, I have a hard stop at the stop of the hour. I just wanted to be able to make sure that we pace and we can stay on task. There's nothing wrong with that, right? So I just wanted to give that kind of little bonus tip on the way that you communicate with people.
Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you click the first link in the description, Freedom to Impact, for any of the resources that we've talked about in today's video. You'll also be able to find our Customers for Life podcast. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll talk soon.